In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see edits on a Trello card description. Using Trello effectively for project management can sometimes require you to track changes and see who made what edits to your card descriptions. It's a feature that can be incredibly useful for keeping track of updates or changes over time. By following a few simple steps, you can easily access this edit history using a specific power-up on Trello. First, you'll need to navigate to the board where your card is located. Open your Trello application, whether it's on your browser or through the app, and go to your desired board. Once you're on the board, look towards the top of the screen and locate the option labeled Power-Ups. Power-Ups in Trello are essentially add-ons or plugins that enhance the board's functionality, so click on Power-Ups to open its menu. Next, from within the Power-Ups menu, you'll find an option to add Power-Ups. Click on this button to access the full list of available integrations for your board. In the search bar that appears, type in description history and hit enter. Trello will present you with the suitable power-up option that allows you to see your card description edits. Now, locate the add button next to the description history power-up and click on it. This step may cause another add button to appear, prompting you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and click add again to ensure that the power-up is added to your board. Having completed these steps, you now have the ability to track changes in card descriptions. Once the description history power-up is added, you will need to close the power-ups menu by pressing the close button, as we want to get back to your cards. With the power-up installed, you can now select a specific card where you want to see the edit history. Click on any card's title to open it, and you'll notice a prompt asking you to authorize the power-up. When prompted, select the Authorize button to give the necessary permissions for the power-up to access your card's information. This step is crucial because it ensures that the plugin can track and showcase the description history as needed. After authorizing, you'll need to click on Allow to finalize the permissions so the power-up can operate seamlessly. Finally, within the card interface, look for the arrow symbol or an indicator that the description history is available. Click on this arrow to reveal the edit history of the card description. Here, you'll be able to see the timeline of adjustments made to the card, along with who made those changes, granting you complete visibility and control over the updates. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to see edits on a Trello card description using the description history power-up.